Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the run and getting tools ready. If the run is a thin sag versus a hardened globule, note how aggressive you must be. Once you have 200-2400 grit sand, a block, rags, and mineral spirits, clean the surface to remove oils and dust. Make sure to tape off surrounding areas to protect edges. Start sanding gently from the top of the run to blend the edge. This prevents creating a new dip while you work. Now you perform the detailed sanding and leveling. Begin with 220 grit to knock down the raised material, then move to 300-2400 grit to feather the transition smoothly. Keep the sanding block flat and use long, even strokes parallel to the surface so you remove the run without gouging. Once the profile is even, wipe the area with mineral spirits and inspect under angled light to confirm the blend. If you still see low spots, fill lightly and sand again to restore a consistent surface. To finish, prime the sanded patch with a thin, even coat and allow proper cure time so the paint bonds correctly. Once primed, apply multiple thin finish coats, making sure each layer dries before the next. This prevents new runs. Match the original sheen and feather each coat beyond the repair. If the surface still shows texture, wet sand with 1000-2000 grit and polish for a uniform gloss. If problems persist, the troubleshooting tip: reevaluate humidity, thickness, or spray technique. Correct those before repeating the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.